And it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and it's getting a little dark. The sun is going down, but good morning. It's about 10 o'clock for you, I'm pretty sure. These are my 3 shovels, and I'm going to throw some color into each of them. Starting with, what am I going to start with? Where's my black? Okay, I'm going to start with the colors that I want in all 3 different shovels. See what I can come up with. I've got some color shift red, which looks a lot more like orange to me right now. I don't know what's going to happen. It's an experiment. It is going to be an experiment on a pre-primed black 12-inch by 24-inch canvas, and my most important ingredient is going to be the gold, I think. We shall see. I've got some nice pink. And I'm not sure of anything right now, except for that I want to have some fun, and I've been having some fun, and I'm going to have some more fun. And I keep kind of regretting not using yellow in these, although it's not coming out. I will. I promise I will find my pin next time. I'd like to see what I might be missing. I don't have a lot of my favorite purple. I didn't use any, or I didn't use a lot of white pearl. Okay, well, I'm not sure what's going to happen now, and I'm a little nervous about it, but I think so long as I add a boatload of gold, if I'm willing to go from either direction, I ought to be okay. I've tried to reconfigure my studio so I have room for a wider panel canvas. Yeah, I know, I just keep going back and doing it again, don't I? Okay, well, I know when I say I'm done, I'm almost never done. But I want those shovels to be full. Pretty interesting color combinations, I gotta say, but they don't look too bad where they're at, and they're not leaking out. I don't know if there's enough room right there. These are my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. They're available on the Amazon link. I'm not going to be using those this time, but I did need to get them out of the space they were in. There we go. Okay, so, wow, here goes nothing. I'm going to tip. I'm going to try and bring that all the way to the edge, and then push it a little forward so it goes over. And I'm going to have a slow finish right here, because it didn't go all the way across, and I'm not sure how I'm going to deal with that, other than that I've got a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, and I will let it drain what's left in my shovel down by giving it a little help. So, I guess I got a flat end. Let's see what happens when I let that go. I suppose, you know, since I have that color, and I like that color, I could just allow it to go. Continue on. Yeah, that wasn't a spatula, that was my finger, but that's okay, because I'm liking the results. And I've got 2 more shovelfuls and every intention on using them. I'm going to just try and give that a little, yes, just even it out just ever so slightly. Nice. Alright, so I've got stuff in my way, including a torch and a tips container. Now I'm going to do the same thing again. We have company has just arrived, and I'm going to try to see if I can make this last a little bit longer than the other one did. And I can. I just have to be a little careful. Let that go down, right down over the edge. And I'm going to take the paint that's left in that shovel and line the edge of that paint with it. Which doesn't bother me at all. Kind of like that, actually. I'm going to let it run a little bit. Might let it run right into the shovel. Actually, you know what? I took it away. I'm a dork. I'm sorry. So I'm going to let that run that way. There we go. I got one left. What do I do with it? Do I ribbon pour it all over the place, or do I actually move up to one side? I think I have to ribbon pour it. First one from one side out. Yep. I'll come back. And there we go. I like that. Almost done. A few dots here and there. I actually like my dribbles when I get them. A little easy peasy accidental art. I can't tip that anymore because if I do, those dots will become drips. And even though I don't mind drips, I don't want them right now. Although I think I'm going to have some right here and there. And then I'm going to take my torch and heat that up and call it good. Alright, so that's that. I'm going to torch and tell you all the stuff I was supposed to tell you to begin with that I hate harping on you guys, but I have over 400 videos, so if you like my videos, watch some more. Give me a thumbs up if you like my process. I really appreciate it. It pushes me up in the viewable videos, and that's a cool thing. That helps me out. I have an Amazon link where you can find the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. Well worth investing your money in. A wonderful tool. I have a book on Amazon called Because I Can, and it gives you all my processes to date and my tools, and lists 100 videos and shows the dry art works, and gives a whole lot of more other links to other things. If you go to the bottom of the description under the paint pouring mixture recipe that is in the description, you will also find my Facebook albums of wet and dry artworks from YouTube. Volumes 1, 2, and 3. Probably you'll only see volumes 1 and 2, but 3 is there when you get there, whenever I finish adding everything I'm supposed to it. And I think I've told you everything except for I love you guys, and thanks for the contributions. Oh yeah, and if you do contribute through PayPal or Patreon, in the links in the video under the under the video and on my YouTube header, you will be entered in a contest where if your name is drawn, you will be eligible to choose one of 3 paintings that I'm offering. And this is the last month. They're going to be 16 by 20s. And I have done a pretty bang up job of, yeah, make sure your email address is current. I want to thank everybody again who's contributed to keep me paint pouring and keep me painting, I should say. I've got such pretty colors, I can't help it. I just got to add them. And they're going to go everywhere. I can't rinse them off, I just have to add them. And that's not bothering me a bit. So, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, saying thank you very much for joining me, and thank you for all the comments. I really appreciate them. One more dribble won't kill me. I hope. And keep asking questions, and I'll get around to them as soon as I can. And what else? I told you I love you. I tell you I love you all the time. And I do. I love you guys. Hang in there. And thanks for the job. I really needed it. I appreciate that very much. And my edges are touched up, and I'm good to go. And I'm going to go say hello to my friend in a moment. And goodbye for now. Priscilla out. Oh, maybe I can zoom in a little bit. Right there. That's good. I like this. Cool. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.